Well, here's a tricky Python code. And can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. And this code is very tricky. So the correct output of this code is 0, 9, 1 and 2. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this was the code and we need to understand this part first and then we will understand this part. So first of all, it's quite simple. Range of list of this will become range of 0 to 3, which is 0, 1 and 2. This is quite easy. Now the confusing part is here. This value is x of 1. So you might have thought x of 1 will be replaced by 9 and list would have become 0, 9 and 2. But that's not what's going to happen. Here, when you do slicing insertion, this will be inserted after first index. That means there is 0 and now index is 1 to 1. That means 1 is here, so 0, 9 and then we will have 1, 2. Instead of deletion, there will be insertion which explains the output.